motor expect with a woman be no gay video. A woman be gay video. What is wrong with you? Children know me to just sit back and because oh I got my bags before I go home. Shit. Oh I go collect gas now. I go my bag of the gas now. No, I go buy gas. Now wait wait. I posted a video, right? Where I'm describing the life Jpac and the Bonison is living. Also they go now. Get argument rubbish. Eh? I posted a video. Jpac in a Bonison lost son. Jina wrong with her. Gabanese. Hey, this is not Jpac. Yeah, listen. Una never see anything. Una never see anything. Eh? You guys, years ago, because of my engagement work, Una never see anything. Next time, eh? You see how Jpac is bringing false rumors to close just a simple exam, eh? That is where I will be tormenting Unaya. As soon as he's going on the ground, paying no more shit bloggers, not to ash. Jpac I get one piece. Now, so I go searching the Gabriel. Come and see Gabriel members under my comment section. When I go to their pictures, I see them. I say, look at them. Look at them. Gabrielas. Having a Jpac. Now I comment. See, I reply when I want to. Or less when I want to ignore. You feel them? Jpac and their Bonison. For them to look at what they are doing. An example of who they are. Oh, each and a saga with different ball game. Oh, you don't understand the terms when it comes to and saga. Oh, okay. Okay, all these Gabrielas, Egoji London Nufro. You Gucci. Some people, it's not Jpac. They say, I want Unegi. It's your mama Toto. Chineke Bruno. Oh, in my house saga. You don't understand the language of saga. Imalo. Okay, I got my kushirigia. She bow and a picture Jpac, my putea. But then, how many of them are going to make feed? Let me go and Akwa when you lost son posturia. Akwa na page ya can with there. Can you number? And when you lost son can wake up and make up story against people, you guys not go there, right? Oh, go get you na buna. Would I never see war? War I will give to all of you. Jereko Okongbu Dibiano ma berage. I dey come for you. Anybody say Shima warrior face who Jpac. Because you guys were not there when the whole thing happened. The content. So it's such a low ego. Memorize. You follow, contributed money because of me. Okay, child, don't suffer. Please, can you buy gas na motom because gas motom na ego. It's not thinkable kana buy. Na mam dem wo because some African na motom. I'm the wrong phone, no. I'm not the wrong phone, please. Don't call me on this phone. What phone in Jamaica? Not Nelly because Makanda Gary here. Don't trust them. Makande, Bichebe. Maka game. It's been a patchebe. Do you know much? Boom, notch. Who get a good car? Number 8, right? Who get you? You pay Shiba, but it's like on the car they own. Hello, I need a gas. Number 8. $80. Yes. Oh, yeah, smelling weed. Somebody smoking weed here.
One person he came and I think so.
Oh my goodness.
He just left like 1 minute ago.
Ooh.
So $80 on number 8.
Yeah, number 8. $80 for number 8.
Yeah.
Thank you. How you doing? Alright. Good night. Thank you. But I'm just a guy half for you. Mamma, you watch it. I'm coming watch it. You can't walk on walk on your phone. Marco Shinama. Mark and do to a bony lost song. Those shit, the basic ways. Mark, other paragana, and the henny and I'm not expensive. The German lock will require back. Lock will have your back. My gas don't start. See, it's reading already. Don't start. It's GLE baby, GLE baby. It's GLE baby. 2024 GLE baby. GLE baby. 350 GLE baby. It's 2024 baby. GLE baby. It's GLE baby. It's GLE. I don't know how motor dash like Jpac. 1 year show Odogu. 1 year show Odogu. Odogu Akwa dashire. Mama motor Akwa bachara no chaya horo no chaya manyere. No chaya manyere. That day Jpac called me. Okay, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to collect the car? Sure, why would you collect it? I'm sure idiot to collect car. Very cheap idiot. Low one a shower when don't get money. It's GLE baby. It's 2024 baby. GLE baby. Idiot. I know her. It's where marry it. It's where marry it. It's 2024 brand new baby. That's how we roll baby. Odogwa dash remoto. Odogwana abala 100,000 abala 1 million. Now make I never be a beggar. Make I never be to sustain. So make person they give me. God forbid that I will be in a position where person go they give me. God in heaven, I rebuke it. That's my bachago. Now I'm going to see here. Who not pushing na 76. So but I'm a force. Yeah, I'm a reserve. I'm a force. I reach out $80. I'm a motor. Now like him buy a reserve. But I order off my car. I order off my car. I'm a reserve. I don't know. Anytime I want to fill in reserve, for some reason I like it. I'm fill here reserve. I don't know. We're not pushing now. But I'm pushing you $80 now. $77.76. I'm going to push it. But I'm hungry. I'm this thing now. Even I go July. See, gas my woman. She may go gauge. Make a motor gauge. Gas. Make a show now. Look, gas my woman. She make. What do they take a reserve? I don't understand. Kaka moto mgeji shin gas. Aba mana mo align ni o. Gas ma wu fuola. Oh. Gas ma wu le kwa gas nje wo na ala. EGLE baby, EGLE baby. EGLE baby, come on, get out of here. Come on, get out of here. Who born your mama? Who born your mama? Come on. Me and you they play. Me and you be mates. Me and you they play. It's GLU, baby. They go wonyara. It's brand new, baby. 2024. Look at the rigs. Oh my God. Look at the exhaust pipe. Look at the. Look at the. Dan engine says, oh, we got dash. Oh, charm 200,000. A dog, a shower when they call, but I don't blame you. Then I got one now. They don't dash you anything. You can use your rubber can to put the reason. No, which rubber? You don't hear me like that here. They do like that. Almost everywhere gas station. Oh, just I don't know. This my GLE does not. But I would rather me say this. They do take reserve. And my Highlander platinum, they take reserve. What I go? All our I don't know. This one, I'm a you see what I'm saying? But I normally do reserve in each of my in case. But if you know all food, or go food, there's nothing you can do. Lie, there's nothing you can. Let's see, get my seatbelts. All this afternoon, nah, but you gonna do this. I never start with Jpac. Una they scream. You guys are useless, so. But I want to this blue apple. And what more also than saga. You don't understand. And we more also than saga. And I come out there, I want to happy with my bed, you. I Jpac na nando soon and damn undo shina prima bria and about content people. Now then go lose because you go get tired of my matter. You will be exhausted about my matter. You don't understand? You know, there is no any other thing than trouble. When you look for my trouble, you know, go get peace. And I get chicken. He put another person. Now he's beginning to tell us, make it Jpac to be a meta is so awkward and make another use rubbish they cover them. Make Jpac come and do tests. Simple. Come run the fucking test. Ndala. I got my torment get na this app, eh? Next time, if you see trouble, you go the wrong. Next time, you will leave a denomination, you will leave a group, and mind your business not to come and dent that group. If Paula anyway join no just come to destroy them or to come and lie against them. In fact, I can go in the morning because thank God I'm off tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. I can run program all fucking day, man. I'm fucking off tomorrow, man. I'm fucking off tomorrow and I'm fucking off Thursday. What to go? Ndala. Bunch of idiots who look at them jumping like squirrels on under my comment section. Ndala. Come on, fuck the fuck off, bitch. Bitches, my fellow women in Minina Gonike. I get to come back to Nigeria. If you get to come back to Nigeria, I get to come back to Nigeria. I say who you be. I say Maggie on Baggy, I say who the fuck you are. Agulamun, December 30th, Marital Mohammed, Grand Style. Grand Style with the designers, I can hop on town. Grand Style. I can't go to no queen and apata, no pitoko. You won't yara. Bam, Sean the God says something. I can't go to no way, go no Shimuna. No way, go no. I can't go to no Grand Style, you the mad. Come on, shut your fucking trash up. You dirty smelling or to la shina 1 million everywhere. Ndala, bunch of idiots. When Jpac was busy accusing an innocent man and went home there, saying that we plan to give Obodoless man a poison, a bodiless son poison. All of them trying to cook up stories with all manner of stories, lies. And you want me to spell I will just a bit of emu. I will fucking destroy Jpac. I'm some information in the jail Chabemunaka, and I should go down. Chineke okunu no Chineke okwa shawo wani ka ho wereli ya ekeka 11 naira na Abuja ndala. Come on, fucking join in the comment section. Join peaceless mind. Ndala. What you will get, Jpac? What you will get? I don't nation in atom na roshi or shina wonyuku. In atom na roshi onyuku orielari. Onyuku orielari. Biama kujaya can make a maroshindo boko da tenkobo. Iman aroshi subeni with the leader of Umbane Senine. Oh, Iman Arusio with the leader. Oh, Iman Arusu get back on Gabuzo, Yapora Shiny Shinala. Ah, I shall warn you. I baby, men Quenga, Kuyoga, one enter by force. Did I hear in Abaramana? No, Nuku, no. Did I hear? Oh, come to make a live video yesterday. Don't report to him. I don't know why you guys are having PP. You guys are many. I'm the only one standing among all the I'm the only one standing. You see, I'm coming back from work. I just got off from work. I got something I'm doing. I'm not useless like your wife. That you saw yeah. I don't got time for bullshit. I spend money, I speak money, I work for money. That's what I do, bitch. Do I look like I'm a team? God in heaven bear me witness that I don't get paid from Zion. I don't receive funding, nothing. All I do is support what is genuine, something that is pure. Let all that for Tabia swear, if daddy ever pay me any money to support him. Never. I do it because I know that you guys are demons. With the receipt. I cannot defend. See, anything I'm defending cost of money, I will quit when the money is no longer coming. Anything, that is why Jpac were able to quit. Because I could start giving idiot money, thinking that now I help a poor man. You know, that is one thing about money. Anything you start with money, if you don't continue, the idiot to think like it's a entitlement. I believe for the total entitlement. I'm not defending. I'm defending because I'm not the real. I'm not Chineke Boroyoko. I make my see. I don't give a fuck. I have a lot of people who don't like me for that Zion, where they on social media, but I don't give a fuck about them because they are not the owner. They are not the owner of Zion. So do I fucking see them? I don't see them. They don't fucking exist. Okay? Simple, case closed. So your contribution online means shit to me. Ndala na koeri. I got to stop. Make I start Zion and get me he got home na Zion very soon. Very soon he got home name Zion. Can see me get one if I know all I go on to say if you go understand. He got home na Zion ground. And I say you go recognize me because they went me mala. Ndala. Not my drug him or one nagging with Zion. More one nagging and making with that place. Ija be on big enter rubbish. Tunda babu chekunu. Keyboard warriors that cannot open a page and defend daddy. Keyboard warriors cannot open a page. But you're under comment section now hide there. Big work get you what to say and not what to say. May thunder scatter all of you now. Useless idiots that you cannot do. Oh Peter in the Bible will sapo somebody into not about Jesus. But you'll be on the comment trying to tell me what to mention and what not to mention. Are you fucking mad? You won't. Dala, fucked up bitches. I got go comment now because I'm driving. I don't want anything to distract me. And they have some of the comments and they carry blurry. You want to go? Ndala in on the comment section. Now about it. We are the original. What makes you original Zion? If I may ask you, You cannot stand to defend your master. You cannot stand to debunk all these lies. Okay, you will you here, that one who to mention and who not to mention. Thunder Babu Kweki. Thunder Babu Kweki. Where were you? Memji Shim 24/7 Puria. Where were you? Where were you? Mem Puria 24/7. Oh, everywhere the required. That is to put from one corner. Want to come and run to me. Thunder Babu get there. Oh, was everywhere they come. When all get you, everything they make you, that be put that all get you. Thunder Babu Wogi. Dala bunch of idiots that think Ibra be Cheron the money. Cheron Memga put a do here run no program. Because right now, change go down Malagodala, Kangara who go down, Zugodi Kana, Nanagodo, Luga, game man a giant in the morning. The boots of Pagode, game a Tomakana in the morning. Come defortified, come defused, come and destroy all of you. Darling, on that comment section, telling me remove this person from. When I was there carrying it for my head, where were you? Where were you? And you know some of my pages went down when strike. This page is now no strike. This page didn't I watch it. No fucking strike. Did I complain? Did I come out and say, oh, because of not defending Zion? Did you hear me say that? Working a piece to put out one corner and Akwa, I should remove Zion from my mouth. Thunder Babu Kweki. Thunder Babu Kweki. May you sleep, never wake up. Chinekamu Goku. Idiot. Shower. Get back to now. Puna Babu. They join Zion. Idiot. Foolish. Upon everywhere. Get back to now. Puna. Go get your gadi. Yeah, join Zion. And just for history, Thunder Babu Kweki with the Bramon. If I be shamo, I got you, remove that. I'm gonna respect myself, so. I'm gonna know how to defend myself. I'm gonna sleep here. Only a lot of problem, Jpac. Ya say, ya puta. Okay? It's your Ndala. Bunch of lunatics. In a wind attachment, Zion was all grand land and much. Where were you? Can't you open a page? Can't you open a page and come and defend him? Him I will put to a video and be but now view how you idiots. Ndala bunch of amusus. Want to come and correct you, Unegi. Come and correct me now. Come and tell me how to fight my own fight. There were 7 disciples in the Bible. Everybody fought their fights on their own. The way they understood it and the way they please. How to fight my own. Are you mad? I could progeno to niche. Thunder Babu Babu Hemurugene. Dala, bunch of idiots. The threats and the insult I've been getting. Are you the one getting it? They sent. Don't worry. All they do nuga chamo, mama in their business, naming my matchmaking, naming Henry Potter. Maukunuga mama important. Maukunuga mama important. Don't worry, no. Don't worry. Maukunuga ma the importance of Ogechi. I hate Ogechi. Hell fucking no, they don't hate me. They hate that I am their obstacle. They don't fucking any day. Made a mistake now, support the money how like it. Come and see. Now, okay, now I know I love you. You know I love you. I wanted you to realize it. Now you have realized it. You know, the many. You guys are few. If you guys don't guide the little ones who know if you guys don't guide the little ones who know unaga kwe na this social media. Ne susunu. Na gimwe Zion or ne gimwe. Ne susunu. Ndala. It's an awum with the brain behind it, the end of Udela. Do you think I'm not the brain behind it? I am the brain. I brought it. I executed it. Oh, more idiots. Ndala. While you don't know how everything started, how we fought so hard. All of you put together and let's go get you. And when anybody could have ever stand and fight that Udela was a bomb. Udela was a bomb. But none of you we are able to stand and defend yourselves, Ebu Delano. Dala. In a big one, don't mention. Who the fuck are you? Gabo. Each and every time. All the insult, all the cussing, all the threats, and come back and make. All the threats and again. You cowards that cannot even open mouth to talk. Those that don't even have the courage to talk. Those are Can't you see my faces everywhere? Can't you? This little showdown. Jesus say, Jesus, I want to go. Bunch of the mouth to come and tell me who to mention, remove this, remove that. I want to change it. I can make a Samo to me na Mercedes. I'm not 24 hours. Now this guy's a nation to me now. Hey, I want to, Mom, she get mission by now. Mercedes on 24 hours. I get mission. Oh, mother, I think in the morning. Oh my God. Mommy, I'm going to take reserve. But nevertheless, I must go tomorrow, then I'll offer tomorrow. And then I like it not off, and then I like it outside. I'm not an outside much person. Remember outside when I was in teenage life. That time, that teenage life, my club, my bata, I know they just do dance because I'm good in dancing. Dance, yeah, I'm a bata. You want to go? Not query. Man, I who got home comments for now. No, the I show mad woman. He wouldn't go no one yara monoge. Is it not a mad woman that gave back to you? Oh, one yara monoge now. You will always see everybody as Onyara because Onyara monoge. A mad woman get back to you. I just repeat here. You were one borderless babies. Somebody share my mega adopt a match about Obanara chicken. Oh, nigga, Onyara. Can you identify on your nigga? A mad woman get back to you. Oh, dear, on it, deny. Ndala. The only men adopt to with a Jisa. Dala. Oh, one day make a mark adopt Amu Ahoma. But then we're doing a man should follow Dala and Dala epic room on the streets. Dala. Come on. That's in the game Moroge. That's in the Moroge. Arachagi. Or one only who Shingagara. Everybody smell arara. Chamakwe baho, Chamakwandari beggy. This gonna when Dara my lineage. Dara, mad man everywhere, mad people everywhere. Nigga, mama, and then Dara and Dam, Brara. Brara, mamma, wonyare, mamma, wonyam pibara, mamma, wonyam, amusupananya, sona. Idiots. Not coily. Do you think everybody smell arara to you? Mad people. Come on, Shingarara guy got neglige Zurike. That's what I'm nego. Or what number Nagamana Jeluronyari Beggy, Chomakande, and adopt Ibeki. Jejilino. Let's set off idiots. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Inside this you. I got to come back to Nigeria. I got to come back to Nigeria. We have written petition. We have written petition. Mbalagan. So you did petition Makabonu ticket. I know what Kabola yo. Now this time I got grown. 38. The only Indiana, no Chicago. Move. Not really. Bunch of idiots. Only neko get you. Put that on the comment section. Come and stand it. Come how long it will last. Come along with these people. And when a bitch and I pop okay, this, she's a bad person, she's this, and when I be an apple, and when they be an bomb. Let me even see without Jpac. Okay, let me park in the morning. You move this car. Better. You what I go? Nah, coil. Put on. Come and collect it. I mean, I'm sure more people. They pretend I'm following Zion. I'm Zion. They cannot even come out and do war. Lie. Woo. And when you pass, you come down make up story. There is nothing to talk. I'm too clean for anything to dent me. I'm too clean for fake information to dent me. I'm too clean. I want you pay Akwa when you gonna war so go. And when him dominant, when him kwaga. I'm too sam for any bagger to dent me. What I go? So when anything he got she okay you dominant under her closet to. He got go make up story you making on social media. But to which is all go, I am not mad though. Because when I will come for you, me too. I will prepare my water. Okay, that's a mission wigi. And about chogumma. What I go? Anapa chogumma. Naba waje poga. I be a boy daddy. I be a boy on you. Na so it day. So we believe what I say. Your life is more brighter than the whole world. Now lie we go dentam. We go dent we go find a way and fucking dent it. You don't give a fuck. I will go. When you dab into fights, anything comes with it. Any fucking thing comes with it. So okay, they are aware. War is not meant to be smooth, it's meant to be destructive. Anything will work. So number one is going to explain. Could a man to put a explaining him? Habia could have been pambre prum. That is how it is. You keep on explaining. You sit around no face your enemies. Look at you. I'm going to petition. Where Jpac, I'm shego. You got to again a wedding. I may make a short bravo. Because if you ever, this is true, I go make sure. So this your money go finish. Kaki kid in a room. Don't play with me. Don't fucking play with me. Don't get a test. If I go Nigeria, I go they ask you for that test. Anywhere they are gonna do the test. He get the line. Dia, he get me the test. He get me na. I'm a joke can joke. So ya unu na ekwete e post video na che biko ya search channel me boom nwoke na kiss cho onwe ha abia touching it with Jpac picture with your bonny son ndenine shina ha we because the channel no mo all those videos na sedrem ya na WhatsApp ebe ha na egbu na romance onwe ha. I go touch a bonny lost son, or I go touch a Keza, Okong Butibia, I go touch Wagra, I go touch Papa, organ, all of them, not 10 days here. I want to destroy Aham to Chilek or Puno. I get here. And war! We shall war it to the end of this segment. No, I need some water. I need some. I don't leave my main property here now. Ndala. Everybody son be here with the 110 and 4G. I 4G here you shoe no be we. What they say what call Sunday I go no be we. She dey take uno okun na this. Akwa Facebook. You know be Facebook. Now. I got who share. Chama no more. Make it happen so fine. Hey, make it happen so fine. And one of us I got body land so. Upon the son, upon the lost son, upon the criminal lost son. They put that false information. Neti, ona no can say anything. Get you putere. Nde udi lifestyle Jpac put ebu. na-ebi ma atacha ya unu abịa na-ebe akwa Chineke kpọ okwu unu ọkụ ashima mmadụ ọha magbuokwu na ashima ọkpa mmiri n'ala egbu chekwara nne kugbuokwa nnụ ashima mmiri nwe ọkpa ọsụmenye pịagbuokwa nnụ pịagbuo nnụ pịagbuo ihe kere nnụ ne ihe m gwara gị Ebony's son went and dig out old video. This idiot where he was accusing daddy wrongly. Now, every day, none of you were able to condemn it. Ebony's son, Ebony lost criminal idiot to the Zwoshi. So, pute me this thing me edit post na kusa njukwa report up here and ya puta chigo kwa shio ya be ko voice note I could send on behalf of Ken. None of you are saying anything. None of you are saying anything. Else mgbe were oku ba na ere ya na aho agwara me body loss so sure ga mecha umu ya puta one of this saga uchi na ebu o ga mecha umu ya ndo omuru de kakara dika manu akara get me chapter one of this blue app Akwa chogi engagement Akwa chogi grow his second page. Is it not what he want to do? Now ndamusu aka hunu ji somado ka ga jesu unu una achokwa ebere o aka hunu ji everybody when na so they measure with now na so I dey measure with una. That hand will not take this shake me. Now so the hand that go take shake on her. Because who know who conscience. You guys say who no fucking conscience. Conscience who know relate in a pit of hell. So the way actually before a child will understand the language you speak, you have to start speaking yeah. Mama. Because before an infant, a toddler we understand you have to roll on the floor. Again with the same. What I go? So every hand we wanna get, all the lies we wanna bring. Now so we go use some rocket ourselves for this blue app. What I go? Ona be head kamo. In your entire life. Ona be head kamo. I saw which kind of a woman is this? Can this woman respect it here? Can this woman have my husband ever come out and complain? My husband is making more money than me. My husband is highly more times 7 educated than me. My husband is in a level in this country that he can send me out. He has whatever it takes. Move nowhere. And the reason why, if I'm a bad woman, why is he stay with me? I don't know any answer. Mbrala wa moda ends it. I don't know any answer. I do my thing. I prepare hoshim prepare la me hoshim ya di moji ya ruma kenge me fushi abia me fuya ya runa kama me fumashi me ya ru kenge me masho okay I will do it. So what the fuck? Ya ru bodo amana mbeja no odo. Ejimana short one man. A what no? Ejimana, Yauru Makeri, Ejimeshi, Yama respect. Hey, Empumi shit top notch. So, Banumi had him get Kamuge. The person I'm supporting, my husband loved that deed to death. He went to Nigeria, he met that deed. So, what is now? Casey here with the problem now. So can you hear them get you complain about me now? And I'm joking. Can you get you or get you many? And I made disrespect here. Have you ever seen me, Mapata? Ugochuku, get moshi biano boda, omeneminka. How many women can I name and social media? Have you ever seen me done it? Have you ever seen me done it? On social media he provides for the family. If you don't follow, they do. So, Banumi, or just package in Jeshele, Mashagameshi, Ajeshiri. Yesterday, now, before you have a break, Oshbe, Mena Muri, Mashelube, before Major Sama, who may mene. Better Yaba, I may waste time when I have put you a map, okay. So, Banumi, eh? He get this shit, dig the onion, go and take your family problem, deal with it. You are the one that will really pose in your households. enwe problem. Chineke lechere onye ọma na mụ na ya ka imi ya. Okay? Enwe problem ahụ unu nwega. I don't have it. Deal with your own family issue and live for get out of your misery life. Enwe problem. I don't have no sing. Oh, I am meeting this man. I am eager to meet him any day, any minute. My husband, the guy, military regime. Muna ga no ga. Only keep 1 hour. And when I'm Nigeria, or you know they take me rest. You know the cream make a rest. 24/7 on that bomb. 24/7 on that bomb. 24/7 no bogamo. Did you feel it on Mahagram? It should be put regulator. Mbahajre 1 year training. Ukochuku degidem later. Ya mechameje ndame because some damage abia pick here and they will give it to Onegine. Okay, Bamu, what you will tell me now that I know them. Anytime my husband step out of here, they ya home, ya bit of me simam. Oga. Sometimes monetary discharge you where. Ya won't know one your jaw. Every morning, even when I go to work, we go up some 3 times. Beyola, how are you doing? When are you coming? Hey, Giru no got warm. So what I ya so boo or gay mayor. Family no. Find the pattern that work for your matrimonial home. Leave my own is good. Is this? Come and get out, small boy. I'm calling daddy. Come on, she's looking for. Yes, I'm aware, daddy. You know why? Ndi boshi. Mwoke ishi here jilabola. I'm shema here, but I'm a use brain as I go. I will not block you. Ishi look at woke moga daddy. Yes, so much you okay. Bala all and woka hana. Oka one nearly 50 years. Move. Na Igbo, the respected one so. Come sage man ishi. You know get brain. Igbo the tradition where you say they worship, where we came from, Ashio, not even to compare them, you know. What I go, Emma, Yapama wisdom, Jimmy, or him finish you, Uname put to get bit. Even no come in that nominal Igbo. You know why you rose in marry here? Gele daddy, age otoromo, spiritual or highly inclined than me. Ego kamjide, everything respected man in the society. Gishebo, no nyam oga daddy. He is the father of all fathers. Now what? Now what? A woman who happy oga daddy. A woman I don't call you that daddy. Ndala ane susuare na dem awunto menala na dem awunto suna ndama oha na phone mo no kwala nga ma piande henga piana bale on domenala nde na dem oha nde choga ka Zion lost son bia nde no ma comment section Zion lost son tomorrow I got like I have already made a video and warned you. If you want me to leave Jpac and face you, I will face you. I mean, you a deportee that they deported from here to Nigeria. I know it's hard that they are feeding you. That I everything on work so hard for it. Okay? Don't you? I've told you, and then I give you the go and read it. Don't try me. You will not like me. Face your front, they do your thing, make they do my own. Simple. I don't even know fucking you who you are. I never search you to watch you or whatever. But I know you know me. Because I've been in this app before you. What I go? So all these people that are saying, oh, this man, imagine if I'm not married. The kind of humiliation that this blew up. Imagine if I'm not married, I'm not under a man. Imagine, or I mistakenly married Onyocha, or I mistakenly married Onyola in Nigeria. Hey, or what call Lawu Igbo? Imagine, Ono Karijim go Japan. Karamin well known at this app at all. But it's quite unfortunate that he only Chineke goes in one. He only made one. He all today. Ogechi, I qualified over qualified. And they susuare. Come on, make una go and rest. Go and deal with your matrimonial problems. Or a boko. That is why you guys wonder. My husband is highly informed, highly educated. Okay? He's not daft like all of you. But say Honwani as a piece of shit. No. Friend, like one best friend. Okay? I can look at touch and we can move mountain, just two of us. And I come on, fuck, go. JG, no problem. And a majority of you guys that always comment under my comment section, you can't even live with a woman. You can't even live with a woman. If you want to know happy na ne ono babatawan ya edina nala. Una chopu ya no yana boy squatter. Hopeless, useless, hopeless some of the Igbo men. How if these people that are talking against this, if their wives or any woman in their life tell you what they are going through, some of them are abusers, some of them are monsters, some of them are rapists, some of them are convicts, some of them are useless men in the whole Igbo land. I'll show you all the things. Who is this one? I'll show you all the things you are saying about Jpac shows proof. Come on, get the fuck out. The only proof we will today the only proof we will today the day Jpac Otula Jpac my proof. Now what? My proof is inside Jpac. That is the proof. My proof that I get latest inside the Jpac. Because your power we want more power. That is my proof. So I want all of you to stand out. I made that test. That is my proof today. Everything about the lost sons and the Jpac are saying Basara plan ginye ndesa plan ginye nye ebony lost son poison. On want a proof. On want a proof. You put a proof. Let him bring out proof. The proof what one naked and on there. Proof wo a show lunu porolamo kota naga by then me put a proof. And we can witnesses, yes. And we can prove, yes. Yes. And another sufficient proof with Jpac care. Yes. Chinek amadu amabu chapano. Jpac paf aranamo. You guys are not saying about that. Ndalo. When he brought that to my father, you guys did not see it. And I'll be a chop proof. Jpac gave with the proof even namono rape. Or get with a proof on my father's picture. Now be a proof and the chocolate proof one book could pack useless Igbo useless some of useless fools. Oruna kemona chowa. Unu gaga test unu gaga another test. When even be see where they live. You see the GRA weapon they live. If for where penny they leave, if you the GRA weapon they leave. Eh, on a meginanya. On a meginanya. Where rent is $4,000 to $5,000. On a meginanya. Dala. Come on, fuck all of you idiots. On Enga Sana, one we do to Mga Paralari. I know him got Paralari. Gabana Param. You won't. Look at the motor parked on the street and when the chip came on here. Bastards. She need to walk uno. Una who pay ho. Una who pay ho. Oh. Jpac never see anything. We don't get we don't get that uno. When you picture pam. She need to watch up uno. Dala. Oh. Una never see anything. Don't a matcha. Don't a matcha. Okana malielu. They can release it. They can release it. Aba song. Egwu eji aṅụ mme. Egwu eji aṅụ mme. Na-amali elu dịka ndị release egwu eji aṅụ mme ọhụrụ. Mmadụ ọha magbuchi afọ unu. Ena ju prove. Ijikwa prove ju. Foolish things everywhere. Don't have any proof. I can make you nigga. Next time, trouble be alone about trouble also. I'm sure. I'm not but I sure get you. I get you put up what I put up there sing them about song by how to help you promote. That I wanna be in the cover. I never see. You see? You see where I live, honey? You see? You see? I am not a poorer, honey. You see? You see? And I think we'll be here. And I think we'll be this place. You won't you will be your mama. Chineke no come. No chana go you know no gana. I talk to you anyhow. I'm not doing a babush chat. See them? They feel them. In an apartment, a big. They put an in America. They put an expensive. They put a shock and oko yazo azuma. Dala. Na koyeri. I get you. Diggy. It would do for them low. He look for them low. He look for them low. Jelon one. Go and keep one for house, man. Upon get what you get domadi. Womb bugila rio, get what you get domadi. Bala. Until you guys start discussing the real thing that started the problem. Until you guys start discussing it, then we know how to settle the matter. Until you guys start discussing it, you guys have to start discussing the real deal that started the problem. When you guys remove blame and start ironing the main issue, but then we know how to consider this bullshit. So you guys keep calling, looking for who to blame. Eh? A child will not stop crying. No. A child will never stop crying. This is the family. So my family never see me since how many years on Blue App. So my family never see me. Just take a look at the view. If we go back playing, are you seeing the view? Are you seeing the view in Africa? Oh, but the over there, look at the view. Tom da babu shichapa again. The idare komi. No, mana komi. That my car, gotcha. What happened? Why are you looking for their trouble? Stay away from it. Mind your business again. Ibu sugar saga. But every day, like they don't know how the whole issue started. Because they want to come and chip in Ogechi's name. The problem of Zion. Stay on your freaking line. But then everybody go. Idiot. Actually, hunger will kill you. It's okay. It smells good in here anyway. It looks like you're cooking anyway. Because Ilam rice smell here. Ilam rice smell here. Share deal itself. Cook rice for me. Or easy one man is share. Keep on get share like you. There. Daddy go yala. A fridge, you can put fridge.
We won 2 championships, won back-to-back. I don't think nobody worried about that. So, I'm glad we came out and played a great game tonight. Was able to finish the series off. That's the only thing that matters to us.
You think it through the final possession where it was about 5 seconds left on the clock.
Let me wash my hands.
Found him and he knocked down a shot.
Did you want to see the ball in his hands in that situation compared to anybody else on the floor?
No, we wanted to see it in our end. I wanted to get to see it.
ESPN. For both of you guys, I'm curious, you guys have talked a lot about how at this point, sometimes you face experience. I'm wondering if now you have you see more validity to that point, or
Why is it that color? It's kind of brown. Okay. Okay. Your shoe like I'm like
I just a little bit.
Oh. That chop me me ten big can't sleep, Bobby, baby, sleep. Shit, I don't want to wake him up before. Hey, discussion continue now on video. Give me Macau. You're a very fine girl. Marama, you fine. Oh, under na chawani. Hani na no cha. Hashi na cha chande no bodo Igbo. Okay, bro. Yeah, cha chande ni na no bodo Igbo. Is enough. Kill them two separate. Ijba no share. Okay. Keep him rice. They keep stew in a separate. I keep lamb stew elu rice. Keep stew in a separate way. Nishara. So don't forget the rice here. Then let me rice there.
Great job, bro. It's just basketball, you push me out.
Alright, my rice is good.
Move on, but, that's why they call our league soft. It's because we call flagrants and stuff like that.
Wade just said he is made for this, born for this, but to do this in big games.
The mother amount of time, Mama Bokashima. Google the just the me.
What do you both remember from the 2016 game?
The Nigeria won't come on. I wrote this time. Now what for now? Hello. Hello? 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 Udoka usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Udoka usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Amadu ọha ga-amagbu gị na this platform eno. Udoka usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ na this blue app. Usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Angelele, I can't run one home shitty. De Langa. Puff air, warm more. I can't drunk. In the pot, puff air, she my uncle, warm more. God go for anonymous, I get why you missed to and warm more. A cherry clean the stove. But one more time before I get clean them, or bang would give me a chaggy doctor. This stew is okay. What are you saying that it's what happened to it? It tastes good. You did well.
What if there was another world out there? What if
This two don't know. Anything I show me again. This two don't know. This two man. Is she great? Cause I've got it. Huh? I'm not more gabe. It's a rich eki. You wanna eat it? No. Allow the thing. Ige. Igbo yoko. The anu ke ga agoro. My abaze. Allow it to melt first for now. Chere melt ono. Gbe ya. Few minutes here melt o. Ga agoro anu nde no nga ahu kubu ime stew ah. You don't run your shares too. No. I didn't hip gala. She cut himself. Ralanya shika. Hehe. Ah, go. Because let me make freezer. Okay. Because I got you your sister. Now when they cause it in my fridge. What? So you get do. Why do you want to catch her? Yeah, why did you catch her? I know, get to any I will give put to my fridge, get put to the 10 at the same time. You just gained yourself a follower. Thank you. Thank you. Princely Ogo. Thank you. Why? Whoa, great indeed. You speak Igbo for your lovely kid. Yes, of course now. Especially now. Especially how to do everything though. My page is shitty, my page is mental, my page is clean, my page is mental. Yeah. Yeah, so don't make much sense to me. I wish I could not make a shitty now. Mbana Pago, mum. You got to see us. The one I'm good. Let me do very nice. Very good too. Oh, this boy I chum share ten. I chum share ten a big happen. Big but trust me, this too makes sense.
The best defender of all time.
You're
right there with him, and you have as many all defensive appearances in first team as he does. I'm wondering if you could compare yourself on defense to him and talk about what it is that gives you so much ability on that side of the ball. Second row on the right to Mark.
Very nice.
Called himself the best defender ever recently, and you might have to go up against Draymond quite a bit in the series. I'm wondering what your thoughts are on his defense. And secondly, your teammate Kawhi.
Jack, thank you, my dear.
What makes Kawhi an elite world-class defender?
Second row on the right to Greg.
Mark Schwartz, ESPN. Draymond recently called himself the best defender of all time. What you think of that, and where Kawhi ranks on that list, and why? Mark Schwartz, ESPN. Draymond said a few days ago that he is the best defender ever. Wondering if you could react to that kind of claim and talk about another defender and his abilities, Kawhi Leonard, in this series. Can you talk about why you have that kind of conviction about his place on the all-time list and where Kawhi Leonard is? Now, Kawhi has a great nickname based on his defense, Claw.
Engine, let me hit the freezer. Think of the looking.
If he's Claw, what are you?
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. It's very nice. Ole kiti la freezer. Okay. Obaze. Ebe gwala okun obega. Be ya to the highest. Nanjela ekalamri eshole. Papa di vija doga. Wa chim e hokpa. Remember na Mary Faf. Cool.
They pay you, don't they? They pay very little. That's the question. Anybody else got a question? They can start.
Omet. April. Joe this early morning. Time I'm gonna go vote. Do I live in the same Nigeria with you? Who be this one? Nigga mosquito politaro. Emmanuel mosquito politaro. It's see who's live now. Nigga mosquito wake you up now. See which life. Kwa mosquito metunegona.
Is this going to be a long question? I think it already 12-0 in the playoffs. How important is that to you? Really not really. Anybody else have a question that makes sense? I'm happy to answer.
Oh, my bad, my bad, you're laba now. Today's here tomorrow. Hey, hurry, Jolambo. Thank you.
Hoping for a 3, I jumped my eyes to try to get fixed, and I got a blood.
What do you think of the perceptions of the
Obazela. Okay, na paria where I'm down get Chinese too. Ngabe parame channel. Iriela. Maybe you get the kuko bukiri. Thank you.
Yeah, you had
Oh, thank you. Mwagiga palago.
it happens.
Mwagime palago.
There's a lot of excitement at home because of the Australian involvement in this game. What difference do we bring to the game, do you think, as players? And also, what's been said about Delhi being dirty? Are we tough players? Is that what we're all about?
Can you play ball?
Not on your match.
Oh man,
Sharp in my head.
I love our
We can achieve for mad. Thank you, Mom. I'm going to bring that ways. I should make a come. Village woman. Thank you. So I'm not there. I'm not there. I go soon go there. Just the woman mini ahana. No, the mini na woman.
To kind of make sure these things don't come up to people where even would have that question to ask.
Can't wake up and so boom.
Basketball is basketball, and everybody reacts a certain type of way, and I don't really mind any scrutiny. It doesn't bother me. I'm just gonna live my life.
Hank's always got his tool belt with him. Now Hank is living with prostate cancer. He still knows how to do it. And he also knows once
Actually, if he story, son of port nigga. You got me, Mam Jan, Hona. Oh, you got me, Mam Jan, Hona. She should look at her. Look at how this idiot is it thing a full grown ass woman like me. What to do? A woman when what it take idiot to walk in my if he starts gonna not buggy. Well, I don't blame all of your social media. What social media? A bunny useless son. No, another man. He get the share general. A bunny useless fool now. No, another man. Ejiriana ne beyam bajuma. Lepa na Jpac here. The kind of Jpac here behind na a bunny lost son because they bring out manager when they were there. And now prayer. Chineke mprogono. No money make again. I just remember now. I just got off from work, then I drove straight to my house. Now I need to eat. Money make again by this time. Get in Akwa, Nigeria. Itete, you're supposed to go and look for yen negina omogege ganuria be mashale. What are you doing here? Go make a game one that I'm supposed to be doing this. Imeganene. Idiot. Amankonyoza amanke. Ozu. Angela, go for Lambda. Yeah. Give them me mess too. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. It could to us two down before I gave you those summer. I didn't get them on. No. You need to put them. You need to remove them there. How can you put them? I didn't be your domain down. Gave you those summer in down.
Never dive at another player's feet. Okay to dive for a basketball.
You want to keep off with this side.
Another player's feet. In the case
Japan, why you pa for you?
in the case of
Yeah, we put on a cut. You look okay. You just soon now war everywhere. Shift to a bang. With a cover iron. Got on the other side. Summer stove is saga.
I'd say the ball, I dive on the floor. If I stay on my belly, it's going to be a jump ball. So I protect the ball.
I'm down one.
Out to a teammate. On the other one, I'm boxing him out. He's pulling my left
You
arm.
put the meat back in the fridge.
I'm trying to stay up and he's going to pull me down. So,
I put some of the meat in the stew and then
I
I
mean,
put the rest
the
of it.
tape's there.
Oh, a batch of down.
20 points,
Okay.
14 rebounds, 3 steals,
I'm sure they are not here.
3 assists. Kawhi Leonard, who are you, man? Kawhi Leonard.
Bonnie lost use like chin cream song. Wuru Obara. Wuru Obara. A hopeless song. Wuru Obara. They know. Chereno me tomorrow. I'm just from your now. Tomorrow. And you don't get a push. Jpac I get wood. And what when you get wood? And what when you Tom Shima Criteria? What when you get wood? And what? You wanna? Enwepo ni ge wutu utanu leno kongu dibia she akwa kana mo ya like this ya na da kokoro infection o dabuga mgbo onye eze nwanne ya rekchere je chola num record onye eze ahụ chere warriors mete abụra here we morning ichimeme ya now so na bia no ebe ọ na confess na akpa ha mu ya anwụ na akụ ya kpokoro idiot enya 200,000 onye na-achọ ego ji agwụ infection ekpe ya 200,000 kola ite oge chinda deta yo no eriela arịrị n'aka dash onye jere nwanne ya nwoke onye eze Jesus je were ya tinye aka ndị gbu mmadụ ya bezi bi n'anya ego cream bugri look at their lifestyles chom shima te ahia ebe na enye m nsogbu na unu bere ikposa yo na cherenu mechi anyị yihi I'm off tomorrow. Jola Magamano shall no go walk over time. I know they go, I know they do. What I go? Because I'm trying to Nigeria to know me job your man no. As you show me badge. Let me remember shopping, but didn't you by 2 in next week? Be a bonny last one, I don't need the repetition. Nah. The petition we get there, I'm many accused to. Nina te bleaching, ni one ocean. Ex-convict, de shambucha who no ex-convict. No, na hari go man shankadike. Nam shon go jerena asha weji po wa yo to anya. Onye de keza hanya. What was his name? Jpac ben ike bend na abulam yacha namshino ike bend abule. Namshina. No, but I'm not an ass open. No, there's open. Ike bend abule. Namshi. No, na nike. Also. Nam you no get gagwa wagra nam she no dey rape ụmụ nwaanyị n'ike gakpo top 0-0 she nam she ke mama be dim henge book ahebo ama be mbangeji na analyze that one ana be chugodi bangeji analyze that one Jpac jimu botesi ugwe sam what a need the position aya Otilo Emmanuel Oya, come tinye big oya. Otilo. Now, une deco petition she. Namshi Jpac, namshi Otulaya is where to be examined. Over the whole banana this talk. Even no. That book I'm sure one year jaba pona. A lot of things to write on a contribution of the content creator contribute for my matter. Uncle I be. Ona where I'm sure one you shit too. Ona scam woman chimpana koro hego. Cherenumu, ebony lost son, listen to me. Listen to me. Apatagam Nigeria na Marital Muhammad 30th of December. That is when I'm landing. 30th of December. By 6 o'clock, eme chagome ebutela mi boom. Une burundo gelu uno. Were red carpet. Bia ma susuru dia. Then na pra ontara ajuku uno. My warande uno lash ebulian ki tedika obuda day. Chere no more. Chere panum. What go? Lagos. Mono na kuranya ga wola anyi na Lekki. After that place, opposite to Chosrenchaiga, because from there is Port Harcourt. Then from Port Harcourt, no 2 weeks, may fit back to Abuja. How come now go to my moves? Lagos. Gachayan Nagana Lagos. May teach in a port. From port, may teach in a way. May name because I'm a lecture property and you know, can get happy. And some of the businesses, but then may fe batahu. So okay, aware now one Nigeria. I want Nigeria as it is, so it's not one place. So when you get ready, you need FBI gonna monitor. Sorry, FBI. They didn't monitor more than Nigeria. Where is these people where they monitor people for Nigeria? Where is them? So you wanna go they monitor me? Ndara. Bunch of idiots. Foolish monkey Europeans. EFCC, thank you. EFCC. I did joke about one of my good friend. EFCC, I'm coming to Nigeria. Really born. EFCC, my man. On the EFCC, on your girl. Kedindana, upon Dana who Kendana who Macadrog na Nigeria. Upon EFCC, right? No, Macadrog. Upon Dana who Maca EFCC, yeah. I have a number. I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm going to pose down me. I don't go camp because of there is no light. No EFCC. No EFCC. NAFDAC. Okay, NAFDAC is on the drug. Okay. Coming to Nigeria this December. Get ready. Get ready because many people will arrest me. I hope. Okay, not the cow EFCC come now chat like here. You may be a lot of friends. But they should make the check when you can have that. So we know that you but get ya. Jpac trom for na you trom na onyuku bo. No je ga be ke gram mu no na abale. Eh? Ijiki. Okay, when mom made la chola, you know, you may have a grandma. You don't know the importance of your mom. When you went in there, don't play with your mother. Oh, you not understand. You are beautiful and attractive, Miss Flower. Who is this one? Hey, Pakistania or Pakistania. Anyande, and you me where I like a lamon. No. Umi boy, I like a lamon. No. Wala, is not buying. I need like a lamb. No. A man in danger like no. For me, Jam I like a lamb. No. What I like a lamb. Despite that Munu Okibona log, I like it for a carry every other tribe. Despite Munahana lawyer. I like for a Mukaricha every other tribe. Yes. What I go? Despite the Munahana log, I like a Mukaria everything. Every other tribe. We don't like them. I like a amazing. Tola. Ajina Jumui. Okay, not kidding. I'm gonna get a omelette. Where you walk Igbo, but one daily gas all this in daily share. Not like in one turn. This is. Hello? Yeah, and the one of my live program. Yeah. On the woman. I did. I'm not, man. Be one now. Babela for my one now on Facebook. Oh, one lam now on your meeting on Facebook. I know they see them. My husband have warned me. Mama, so, mbao. I cannot disrespect my husband. And when do you like a shimona amateur on Facebook? That day they didn't get up no. Sorry, just that's the rules. Yeah, that's the rule. I have to obey it. Oh no, Dr. Virginia, I just throw me pull your, I just throw your horn. You are on my page now.
James Harden is a great player for our team.
You got just throw one castle.
And he's going to continue to do that.
Yeah, you got Jeremiah Zakol, anyway, Bogam Nabiko. Alright, thank you. Hello? Well, UK good. Why would you say that? You don't want to why? Akudo, why would you say that, Manyoma? Why would you say that? Don't say that. You know, that's not true. But no. Name of a day like that. I'm a very pure soul, honey. You know I'm not like that. I'm now. You can't wrong me. What about him, my big copa? What about him? No, we can never. Didn't do me anything. Don't say that. I can't. I'm not like that, Chama. Don't feel like that, okay? Don't do anything necessary. He got Bobu Man, he got Bobu again. Akwa gị chere aga m abịa kụpụ gị infection ahụ na-ada gị kpokoro na amụ in the morning. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ izuzukpu onwe gị. Ị na-abịa ịkpụgbu onwe gị na ashe enyere gị ekwere gị 200,000 iji ya jee gwọọ ọrịa amụ ịpa. Idiot onye a na-enye 200,000. Enwe nnọọ mkparị ụnụ a ga-akparị dadi mụ. Chineke ga-akpọ ụnụ ọkụ maka demand n'aka m. Lee onye nyere ego lenu. Daddy, sorry. Oh, yeah, no. Daddy, sorry.
Honestly, I don't know how to really answer that question. He's been a for us.
I'm happy now that you have recognized me now. I swear. No, name and I win a lot of comments. I swear I am the most happiest woman now. I love you. And I truly love you. I truly love your way of life, okay? Oh, no. You can go there. When you marry one, I'm not coming against a walk. What will be quarreling between us? I'm showing mom clinic. I become my mom. My just has with you. Come on, Nina. Don't think like that. When you marry more.
Join to my right. That was
Ndị enwebedi ahụ mepost ihe ha na-ebegodo akwa na-ebero bishop Chineke. This will never say ndị amadi di ha na-akpọ the war. Ndị amadi di ha na-akpọ war. Hey, Chineke me. This will no. Hey, you know this men in Nepotrani na ha support to Jpac. All of them. All of them na. Because I say no reason, man. And it's no reason why, sorry. Mukana na mukibe ana dutishi homa. Agade. No, sorry her. That is the work of God. Jesus was crucified. Come on, go to here. I get you. No. Look at them. Bunch of fools. Bunch of fools.
They don't show no basketball clips. It's kind of like, man, they get a good ass kid. You know what I mean? I hope so. They gotta take that with a grain of salt.
I can't say one thing they give you is a trend set. They definitely get that because you see how my man came dressed down today. Yeah. But he came hella bright with his nail. I'll be your nail popping more than his outfit. I got to tell you right now, man. You got to tell me. Let me see your nails, man. Let me see it. Let me see your. I mean, you making girls mad first of all because you got your quitters and all. What's the shit called? You got everything done. Gel. Man, look, tell me, please, right now. Tell me.
The big apple. Jpac, remember, tight Nick. I'm not to get that one tea Peggy under the comment video. It not be a bonny lost son. No be the idiot who brought the video. May use only I may analyze it. Haneti. Chineke zadrune de homona boa na the thing. Amata kawe bonny kawo Jpac. Una neti. Cause a de homa eke hit budobake ya na eji mo eke hit ugbu aka ka gwo bidoro ngara for it. They don't understand that they want more joy. Leave Jpac with me. Did Jpac allow my daddy to rest in peace? Did Jpac allowed my daddy to rest in peace? Oh God. Don't worry, no. I know him mega now. I win the money. Imagine killing China. Okay. What's more can so one? My daddy rest in peace. In the apple Jpac rest in peace. Right, because can happen. Jimmy would have called to me. Yes, orange. I think I hit the woman. Very beautiful. Very. Na part to see here, don't see here, baby. Very beautiful. Hey, give me one to clean a gas cooker. Try. Clean it, very clean. Job well done. Man, I has it on.
Just breaking down who the person, the king is, right? Obviously, the second you came in here, all smiles, feel the energy, like I said, infectious personality. But where did that come from?
I know they end shish in a Facebook. None of my pages monetized. I know they any funding on Facebook. I don't understand. What is that?
My brother's really positive. My mom is like always smiling.
I know they ain't shaking me. Actually, make it when they make it go. Which is that is not my William Probe. And when they Gianna Zoro name me Onyola no dinke ya. I know they make shaking. My page is not monetized. Oh. When you go dig on Jpac, do this. All those buttons are ready. I don't want to. It's just me give my pages. They want pages. Oh, they want pages. Please, my ladies, for like, please and please, try and pin my comment. I would like to see you when you. Okay, no problem. Pin go me now. Pin go me. Okay, after that is life. Okay, mba German da German. Oh, you can join here.